friends, we are going to see about baby food which gives weight gain and brain development for the babies of 6 months to 2 years. Come, let's see how to do it. First, we have to soak 3 spoons of poha, that's flattened rice, and 1 dates, and 2 cashew, and 1 spoon of urad dal. And we have to soak it for around 1 hour. Now we have to put it in the mixer grinder and we have to grind it to the fine paste. Now we have to grate the carrot, after grinding the paste, we have to transfer it to the pan. First we have to pour 1 teaspoon of ghee, and then in that we have to pour the grinded paste. We have to add half glass of milk. Then we have to add 3/4 cup of water. After adding water, we have to add the grated carrot. Then we have to cook it for around 5 to 10 minutes so that the food becomes thickened. Thank you.